We can define factory of the future as self-optimization and fully automated lines from end to end, including pack-out and shipping. Factory of the future is integrating connectivity, digitalization, and adding real-time visualization to trigger actions in two perspectives, 2D and 2P, in order to reduce space, reduce transformation cost, and get positive working capital. Factory of the Future builds upon the successes and foundation of the FY17 Smart Factory. We need a step function to revolutionize the speed, breadth, depth, and scalability of Factory of the Future, to go from evolution to revolution. Factory of the Future will help leapfrog Jabil further out in front and maintain the edge over our competition. It will showcase Jabil as a partner of choice for customers and suppliers. To meet the aggressive goals by the year 2020, we are embarking on this Factory of the Future journey to become the world's most technologically advanced manufacturing solutions provider. Over this 3-year period, the specific goals are 30% reduction in space, 30% reduction in transformation cost, positive working capital, and achieving a Net Promoter Score above 90%. Why are we moving from our current state to Factory of the Future? Well, our current landscape is fragmented and has a lack of standardization. Factory of the Future is important so that we can drive for more standardization across the EMS division. This will result in less fragmentation, lower running cost, systematic problem resolution, and most importantly, unifying Jabil EMS for rapid growth. Factory of the Future will help drive lower cost and increased efficiency, performance, and quality. To address the breadth and depth of Factory of the Future, we are introducing the 7 building blocks and the Digital Factory team. The building blocks will be focused on all activities for standardization and self-optimization, while the Digital Factory team will drive the convergence of IT and operations to function as a seamless unit. The 7 transformational building blocks are materials velocity, which is broken into 4 sub-blocks: inventory control, planning, purchasing, and supply chain. They all work collectively to achieve a positive working capital. Industrialization, which ramps instantaneously, maintaining high levels of quality. Automation, so that we can be process dependent and introduce more automation and robotics in our facilities. Quality, which is deploying preventive process controls using a DMAIC approach. Advanced manufacturing allows us to be on the forefront of technology and innovation. EMS IT helps develop holistic and integrated solutions, while the Lean block allows us to maintain a standardized layout design. The Digital Factory team has been formed to spearhead the need for an IT and operations convergence to function as a seamless unit. This team will focus on digital technology, Factory of the Future platforms and applications, manufacturing execution system, analytics, visualization and Internet of Things, and connectivity solutions. As a company, the convergence of IT at operations is a game changer. The Digital Factory team will focus on 5 main products: iFactory, or the new manufacturing execution system, the Shop Floor Monitor 4.0, Internet of Things for connectivity solutions, Factory Control Center for live triggering and visualizations, and analytics, both preventive and predictive. So what does the future look like? The future is an ecosystem that begins by continuously driving standardization across all EMS sites, then digitizing all machines, materials, and human processes for data collection. From that data, we'll be monitoring in real time and triggering any threshold breach in multiple areas and visualizing it. The triggering or notification will also provide the descriptive and diagnostic information. With diagnostic, descriptive and historical data, the analytics engine, the machine-to-machine capability, and the subject matter experts will be in the self-optimization phase with the predictive and prescriptive output for personnel to take appropriate actions. These actions will provide positive actions in trending and the indicators and metrics contributing to the goals. As part of the initial deployment plan, self-optimization will be on 5 model lines: Penang Cisco, T. Savaro Siemens, Guadalajara Crestron, Huangpu iRobot, and Wuxi Ericsson. We're embarking on this Factory of the Future journey to become the world's most technologically advanced manufacturing solutions provider. Your role is to first and foremost understand Factory of the Future, including what it is, the 7 building blocks, and the Digital Factory team. and be able to explain the optimization loop and ecosystem and what the future looks like. You can help to contribute to Factory of the Future by supporting the 3-year goals, which are a 30% reduction in space, 30% reduction in transformation cost, positive working capital, and achieving a Net Promoter Score above 90%.